Turning now to the COVID-19 vaccine rollout, as more people are now eligible to get one in Oregon. Today, the state entered into Phase 1B Group 7. That includes frontline workers, their family members, multi-generational households, and people 16 and older with certain underlying health conditions. Tonight, we have vaccine team coverage. Fox 12's Brenna Kelly has an update on the scramble to try to snag an appointment. But we begin with Fox 12's Sarah Hurwitz, who spoke with some people who just became eligible today. Sarah?
Oh yeah, restaurant and bar employees, they are included in this newly eligible group. And the owner here at a Raindrop Tap House, this is in Beaverton, he says that he is going to get his vaccine soon, which will make him feel protected in an industry that is incredibly exposed to the public. Tuesday, Mark Foster can breathe a bit of relief.
I'm excited about getting. I have my first vaccine scheduled for tomorrow, actually.
Foster owns the Raindrop Tap House in Beaverton. It's his turn to get the COVID vaccine among a long list of others who are newly eligible.
It's been a long wait, and I've been worried since COVID hit. My wife is a nurse, so she's had hers as soon as she could, her vaccine, but. There's always that concern, since I'm dealing with the public so much, that I'm going to pass it on to my wife, who's going to pass it on to a patient. So we've been super careful all the time.
Foster says getting the vaccine makes him feel more protected. And also on the list of newly eligible, grocery store workers.
And so there's been a lot of talk about us being essential. And sometimes I feel a little looked over. Some of the protective gear rollouts were a little slow. But now having the vaccine, I feel like for once, definitely getting treated as essential.
Sam Springs is a clerk at the Beaverton Hillsdale Fred Meyer. He just got his first shot on Monday.
I feel a lot better now knowing that I have that, but it's been crazy being on the front line. Literally just a thin piece of fabric between me and the danger.
And for cab drivers who are also in an exposed line of work, Radio Cab says that many were able to get vaccinated earlier because they qualified as non-emergency medical transportation, helping people get to doctor's appointments during the height of the pandemic.
And those were all the trips we had for a period of time, was getting, these elderly people to the doctor, to dialysis, or those required medical functions. But it was only a portion of our drivers that were eligible, and it was still a fight to find the vaccination. So this does open the door to get our whole fleet vaccinated.
And for a full list of all of those newly eligible groups, you can head over to our website, kptv.com. Reporting live here in Beaverton tonight, Sarah Hurwitz, Fox 12 Oregon.